Good morning, examinees. So based on your reactions and comments, we will have to solve another age word problem here. But before we start or continue, please support me and my channel by clicking like, share, and subscribe to my page. So now we will have Carmen. Is 12 years older than David. 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 28. Now, the given here is Carmen is 12 years older, so that's 12 plus David. Okay? And let's have David represent as like D or himself. 5 years ago, so remember, ago is negative. Okay? So which means both equation would be minus. Then 5, since it says 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 28. So if we add both equation, that should render as a value of 28. So then again, let's transfer both equations. It's in much more clear here. Okay, so remember, Carmen, that would be C plus D for David equals to 28, right? And C again is represented by 12 plus D minus 5. So let's put that here in a parenthesis. Okay, plus, remember, David, D, is represented by D minus 5 equals to 28. Now, let's simplify both equations here. So, 12 minus 5, that would give us 2D minus 7. Sorry, plus 7. And D minus 5. Okay? Equals to 28. Now, we can combine both equations because we have the same value here. So, that would give us to 2D plus 2 equals to 28. So, we can transfer here 2 to the other side and change the symbol to negative. So, that's 2D equals to 28 minus 2. So, 2D equals to 26. Divide both sides by 2 so we can isolate D. Now, D is equals to 13. So, we have now figured out the age of David. Now, let's figure out the age of Carmen since that is the original equation and we are looking for both values. Right. So, since we have David here, let's just substitute D from the equation or the first equation that we have, which is C, 12 plus D, okay, equals to 12 plus 13. So that's pretty much simple. That would give us the answer of 25. So therefore, we were able to identify both values or both ages of Carmen and David, which is 25 for Carmen and David is equals to 13. But of course, we will not stop there. As always, we will check our work if that is correct. Remember, we will use the equation of 5 years ago. So that's C plus D equals to 28 at 28. Yep. And since those equations are both 5 years ago, so that's C minus 5 plus D minus 5 equals to 28. Now let's substitute both values here. So C equals 25 minus 5 plus 13 minus 5 equals to 28. All right. Let's simplify the equations here by following the operations. So 25 minus 5, that would give us 20. Plus 13 minus 8, that's 8, equals 28. So 28 equals to 28. So it renders that our answers were correct.